Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. I am here to join the collaboration with Liz Zorab of Byther Farms, and I'm doing the 10 vegetables you would grow if you could only grow 10. And this is my list. As you can see, my Michigan Zone 5A garden is not quite ready for planting, but I'm going to go ahead and give you my list. Sweet peas, because while I don't like to eat them cooked, I really do love them fresh from the garden. Number 2 is the parsnip. I really enjoy these more than carrots, and I'm up to the challenge of trying to grow them. Number 3 is cucumber. These are something my family enjoys eating a lot of, and so that is definitely on my list. Number 4 is pumpkins. Besides all of their wonderful vitamin A, they provide seeds, pumpkin pies, and the joy of growing your own jack-o'-lantern. Number 5 is asparagus. It's an easy to grow perennial, and you know I'm a lazy gardener. I love my perennials, and the older I get, the more I enjoy asparagus. It's so rich in minerals and vitamins. Number 6 is rhubarb. Again, it's a perennial. It's more of a fruit, but I really enjoy the sour sweet taste, and I enjoy a strawberry rhubarb pie. Number 7 is bok choy. I really enjoy it, and it's one of the most expensive greens to buy in the grocery store, so I'd rather grow it. Number 8 on my list is Jerusalem artichokes. They're a double bonus, pretty flowers and edible tubers. I can't say enough good things about this, and again, I'm lazy. I like things that come back year after year. Number 9 on my list is Egyptian walking onions. It's one of the few plants that I can eat year-round, straight out of the garden here in northern Michigan. I gotta love it. There's always something I can pull out of the snow and eat. And number 10, I guess I'm going to start and end on the same note, are tomatoes. And like Jess at Roots and Rough Roots puts it, store-bought tomatoes taste like disappointment. So I love growing a few in my garden because of the wonderful taste. And there you have it, Rebel Canners. That is my list of my top 10 vegetables. There are so many more that I love to grow, though. It's really hard to limit the list to 10, but those are my top 10 favorites. And I hope that you will join the collaboration and share with me, either down below or in your own video, what are your top 10 favorites to grow in your garden. And maybe, just maybe, I'll grow some of your favorites to see if I like them too. So put your list in the comments below. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.